welcome to Step by Step PowerPoint. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create a PowerPoint template with AI. Be patient, we have a great tutorial today. Let's see the rest of the video and learn how to create great PowerPoint presentation with any efforts. In first step, on Google, search Motion It. And here, click on Motion It AI. Now here, create a slide now. Click on this. Generate new page. And in this step, just select and text to slide. And click on Continue. Here, you can paste your text with any subject that you want. For example, in this step, you can choose your template, whatever that you want. For example, I choose this and select an illustration and then click on Generate. You should just be patient. This AI will create your presentation in just few minutes. Your PowerPoint is ready. In these icons, you can download it as a PowerPoint, PDF, or plain text. Now we want to download it as a PowerPoint presentation. Wow, your PowerPoint presentation is ready. Can you imagine that you can have this slide only with some clicks and short times? It could be a great starting point for your presentation. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot!